Oh, alrighty, guys. Continue where we left off. 2012 Ram 1500, guys. I hope y'all saw that short videos because I tagged it in this video. However, let me go over some of that. This heavy key I want to make responsible for this wireless control module failing. All right. In that video, that short video, I was able to show y'all the importance. See how that's weighed down with the key in the ignition. You see, look at that. That is way too freaking loose. Look, I'm inside. That is, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's already damaged now. So even if, now a key alone will not fix that. Yeah, the key is damaged and worn out, but the insides of this wireless control module has failed. So this thing almost $600 brand new Mopar. This is like $200 brand new Dodge. So hopefully, I'm finna give my customer the bad news. Hopefully he got a plan B or something. I don't know. Like I say, I did some investigation. I did see Derman make a wireless ignition module for Ram 1500 trucks. All right. And I think they make a key. So guys, it's not my call on what parts my customers get. Okay. I'm going to charge for labor, diagnosing and labor. All right. Yes, that is my job. Okay. Whatever parts you want me to use, I will use. All right. I put a Derman oil cooler on an Avenger a while back. Okay. I didn't like it, but who am I to tell this customer what part to get me? All right. They do their research and come up with their own parts. All right. I'm an OEM guy. But let me see if I can mimic this. Yes, it'll start and run. I remember when he called me, he say, see, it just died. It's died because, let me show y'all something. Let me see if I can show both of these. See that? Yeah. Well, the power just left. Give me a power. See, if I crank this car right now, it will stay running because I'm getting that power supply from the ignition switch. That's what we missing. If I let it go, watch this. Okay, the key failed. Yeah. It's bouncing around, guys. So he said when he's driving, right now it just won't stay running because, oh wow. Okay, so yeah, I told him to tow this in, but he took a chance and drove it in. See that? That's because the key is stationary. Imagine you driving around this truck and it's shaking. Well, as soon as them keys, even if you take the key off, at this point it's too far gone. But I'm gonna tell them about these heavy set keys. Now let me mimic a shake in a truck while driving. Watch what the truck do. You just die. That is because, ladies and gentlemen, this stupid key, yeah, it's going crazy. Yeah, this is $600 freaking dollars. Now I think that's his actuator doors. He did say his heater not working too, so I'm gonna go and inspect that. But I gotta have the car gonna have to run long enough for me to do that. I'm gonna do one thing at a time, guys. I'm gonna give him an estimate on fixing this. Okay, I think that would be tacky for me to tell y'all what I'm about to charge my customer. All right, I can only speak on the price of the parts, and I know that because I asked a friend of mine in the parts department how much this stuff costs. Okay, so I'm gonna give my customer the option. Okay, I'm gonna give him the part numbers and the part, tell him the cost of what I can get it for. Now maybe he knows some magical friends that he can get those same parts cheaper. The thing about this, guys, is this is security, so this has to be programmed. All right, you can't just replace this skim module and the key and go for it. All right, so we'll see. The next video I'm gonna show, I'm almost certain he's gonna do it because he gotta have his truck. So the next video I'm attached to this one is me making the repair. Let's do it like that. All right, so let's assume I got the part. Now I'm about to make the repair. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Now, it's fairly simple. I didn't know it was this easy, guys. I have gained access to the skim module, which is right here, just by merely dropping this little panel right here. So what I've decided to do was simple. I didn't bring my what does that look like, a T20, T15? I didn't bring my torque bits out here. So what I'm gonna do is merely just unplug it.
All right, so I got it unplugged right here. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my new skim module and simply plug it in. And I'm gonna do most of the programming out here, guys. And so I'll be able to drive into the shop and in essence complete the job. Okay, so now I have my new key right here, just fresh out of the bag, guys. What I'm gonna do is, yeah, I'm gonna put it in here. It's not gonna do anything because it's not programmed, but I will have to get off of my phone and perform these tasks. Guys, what you need to, well, let me see something. Oh, don't get no crank, okay? You get ignition. All right, in fact, when you program in the key, it wants you to turn the ignition off. So that's pretty neat. It has this advantage doing it that way. So what I need to do now is get off my phone so I can program this wireless control module to the PCM. Okay, remember, they have to be on the same page, same security code. And from there, I need to program this key to this wireless control module. All right, that will then and only then allow for cranking, which should allow for starting after that point. All right, guys, for the record, you will need your security passcode, okay, depending on the year, depending on how new it is. Some of them are rolling skim codes, meaning they only have a certain time to which they are alive, and some of them are just regular skim code. Where do you get it from? You got to go to Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge parts department, okay? You got to show proof of ownership. I'm thinking that's it. And once you do that, I don't think it's no charge, but I mean, I would think you entitled to your own security code to your car, right? Okay. Well, I have the one for this car, so what I'm about to do is program it. So guys, I'm gonna get off my phone for a hot second. I'll be right back, guys. This is just temporary. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'll screenshot. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Y'all saw that program ignition fobic keys was successful, right along with this module here, skim RFH hub module successful. Now, see if the car will start. See, like I told you, it had me to do all this while the ignition was off. All right, here we go. Hey, starts, guys. Good. All right. So, guys, from here, like I say, all I'm gonna do is pull everything back into place. This is fairly easy. T20. I don't know, somebody might want to see this, so I guess I'll show it. It's real easy, guys. Bzz, 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 bzz. Come out and then put the panel back on and erase some of the erroneous codes that may have been set. So stay tuned, man. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna complete this job, complete this video. I'll be right back.